In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically show downloads in Chrome when they are done. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Chrome and then click right here at the top right corner at these three dots and then click Settings. On Settings, at the left, you can easily find Downloads. Just click Add Downloads. And that's where we can configure our downloads. We can change location for our downloads. And also we can choose if we would like to be asked each time before downloading the file. And the rest option here is show downloads when they are done. Just activate this option by clicking at that switcher. And then once you download a file, I'm just gonna download that image. And then once the image is downloaded, it will show you all your recent downloads here at the top right corner in that list. From here, we can open up the file, or also from here we can click Add Folder to head over to that file's location. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.